Hi, my name is Francis D. Barcelona. I live in Camilla Cerritos, Block 15, Lot 17, Barangay Canituan, Cagayan de Oro, Misor. And my age is 21 years old. And my course and year is BS Mechanical Engineering, first year. Then, my skills and attribute problem solving and analytical thinking. Then, strong interest in automotive system and design, and passionate about innovation and sustainability in engineering, and even then effective teamwork and leadership as ENFGT personality. And awards and my awards and achievement: participant in school arnis tournament, then and contributor to self-concept book project and showcase creativity and self-reflections. Then my ambition, hopes, and dream in life: become a professional mechanical engineer. Then my ambition is to work in Japan as is specializing in automotive or sports car engineering. Then design innovative and sustainable vehicle that make an impact globally. Why do you want to be a mechanical engineering? I am as inspired to be mechanical engineer because my passion for vehicles and machinery, and especially sports car, which inspired me to pursue this field. I want to contribute the innovation and efficiency of automotive technology while working toward a sustainable engineering solution. How do you see your 5 years from now? In 5 years, envision myself as a licensed mechanical engineering, working in a prestigious automotive company, possibly in Japan. I see myself continue to grow professionally while contributing to groundbreaking project in vehicle design and performance enhancement. And that's all. Thank you.